Warning: not for the faint-hearted. Witness the unstoppable force of 500 horsepower titans carving through the wilderness like they're made of paper. Each one of these mechanical giants is a testament to human ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Prepare to see the cutting edge of engineering, where technology doesn't just perform, it conquers. Welcome to a world where machines rewrite the rules of power and precision. I know what you're thinking. This seems like an impossible task. But trust me, there's a method behind the chaos. These machines might look overwhelming, but our team knows exactly what they're doing. Watch as they make the impossible seem effortless, turning these beasts into precision tools that dominate the landscape. This situation proves that trees hold hidden dangers, and underestimating them can lead to disastrous consequences. Ponsse Scorpion King, imagine a machine that combines the power of a logging beast with the agility of a gymnast. That's the Ponsse Scorpion King in action. Designed to handle even the most difficult terrain, this harvester is built for precision and efficiency. The Scorpion King features a rotating cabin that gives the operator a 360-degree view, allowing them to control the harvester with pinpoint accuracy. The unique design of the machine's arm gives it superior reach, making it perfect for cutting in dense forests where other machines struggle to fit. With its advanced hydraulics and intelligent boom control system, the Ponsse Scorpion King can easily slice through trees up to 70 seams in diameter. It's equipped with a high-tech measuring system that accurately assesses the tree's size and adjusts the cutting process to minimize waste. Whether it's felling, delimbing, or bucking, the Scorpion King excels in all aspects, making it a favorite for forestry professionals around the globe. Real-world application. In dense, steep forests where maneuverability is key, the Scorpion King's rotating cabin and ergonomic design allow the operator to perform their job efficiently without having to reposition the machine constantly. Next up is the John Deere 1470G, a harvester that's built for high productivity and durability. This machine's true strength lies in its powerful engine and smooth hydraulics. It can handle large volumes of timber quickly while ensuring minimal soil disturbance, perfect for both environmental conservation and economic efficiency. The 1470G is equipped with John Deere's unique intelligent boom that adjusts automatically based on the load and terrain, making it one of the most versatile machines in the logging industry. Its heavy-duty tires are designed for extreme conditions, ensuring that it can navigate through mud, snow, and uneven ground without breaking a sweat. Real-world application. Picture a vast, sprawling forest with thick underbrush and towering trees. The John Deere 1470G moves effortlessly through this challenging environment, cutting down trees and delimiting them with its hydraulic boom. It's the perfect machine for large-scale commercial logging, providing both speed and precision. When it comes to heavy-duty logging, few machines can compete with the TimberPro TL755D. This beast of a harvester is built to tackle the toughest forests thanks to its incredible lifting capacity and high-power engine. The TL755D is designed for tough forestry work, able to handle both felling and delimbing in one smooth operation. Equipped with a high-performance hydraulic system and a powerful engine, the TL755D can cut down trees up to 80 cm in diameter. Its robust structure and advanced technology make it ideal for handling rough terrain and challenging weather conditions. Plus, it boasts an advanced adaptive control system by adjusting the machine's performance based on workload. Real world application. Imagine working in a forest that's surrounded by rock-strewn hills and uneven paths. The TimberPro TL755D's heavy-duty tires and advanced suspension system allow it to move with ease through such tough landscapes, ensuring that no matter how difficult the conditions, it can still get the job done. This one's a bit of a surprise in the timber industry. Volvo's EC950F crawler, a machine that's as versatile as it is powerful. Originally designed for heavy construction, this crawler has found its place in the logging world due to its incredible lifting strength and maneuverability. The EC950F crawler's robust undercarriage and heavy-duty tracks allow it to work in swampy, muddy, and rocky terrains without getting stuck or bogged down. Its six-cylinder engine delivers the raw power needed to tackle the largest trees, and its advanced hydraulic system makes tree felling and delimbing a smooth, precise process. Whether it's working in a thick, overgrown forest or a steep, challenging hillside, this crawler can take on any job with ease. Real-world application. Picture yourself working in a forest that has been ravaged by floods or heavy rain. The ground is soft and regular machines would get stuck. That's where the Volvo EC950F shines, gliding over the swampy terrain like it was built for it, and cutting through trees with unmatched strength. When it comes to smaller-scale forestry jobs, the Bobcat E955 stands out for its compact size and impressive power. It may not be as large as some of the other harvesters on this list, but don't let its size fool you. The Bobcat E955 is a highly efficient, versatile harvester that excels in tight spaces and urban logging. With a powerful diesel engine and precise hydraulic controls, this machine can cut, delimb, and buck with ease. Its small footprint allows it to work in areas where larger machines simply can't go, such as forests with dense foliage or logging operations in urban areas where space is limited. Real-world application? Imagine a city park that's being cleared for redevelopment, and large machines can't fit through the narrow paths. The Bobcat E955 steps in, maneuvering through the tight spaces with precision and cutting down trees quickly to make way for the next phase of development. The Caterpillar 521B is a classic example of a machine built for pure strength and durability. This heavy-duty forestry machine is designed for land clearing, stump grinding, and logging in the harshest conditions. With its rugged tires and reinforced frame, the 521B can take on any terrain without hesitation. What sets the Caterpillar 521B apart is its powerful engine and the innovative design of its boom system. The operator can easily adjust the angle and positioning of the boom, allowing for precise cuts in even the most awkward positions. It's a machine built to work under pressure and perform when every second counts. Real-world application. In a large forest with uneven ground and towering trees, the Caterpillar 521B works tirelessly, clearing land and grinding stumps down to ground level with ease, making it a favorite in massive land reclamation projects. The Komatsu 9533 is built for one thing: heavy-duty work. This powerhouse harvester is engineered for durability and power, capable of working in the toughest forestry environments. With its massive tires and high-torque engine, it can move through rocky, hilly terrain without issue, and its hydraulic system delivers enough power to handle the heaviest of trees. The 953,753's intelligence system adapts to the job site, making it an ideal choice for operators looking for maximum productivity in harsh conditions. Its automated features reduce operator fatigue and ensure that the machine runs at peak efficiency at all times. Real-world application. In the rocky hills, where only the toughest machines survive, the Komatsu 900-313 powers through, bringing down trees with its unyielding strength and maintaining high performance despite the rugged terrain. Finally, the Valmet E955 is an all-round performer that's known for its excellent fuel efficiency and high power output. This harvester is designed to handle both large and small jobs, and it's especially known for its superior reach and precision. Whether you're working in dense forests or on more open land, the 890.3 ensures that the job is done right, with minimal impact on the environment. Its advanced technology helps operators manage the machine's performance with ease, allowing them to adjust settings in real time based on the specific needs of the job. The 890.3's rugged design and powerful engine make it ideal for large-scale operations. Real-world application. When working in forests with a mix of small and large trees, the Valmet 890.3's versatility comes into play, allowing it to tackle a variety of tasks efficiently, whether it's felling a giant or clearing a smaller, dense patch of trees. If you were amazed by these monster machines and the sheer power they unleash, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more jaw-dropping content from the world of heavy machinery, and drop a comment below, letting us know which machine you'd trust to conquer the toughest forestry challenges.